So this is Frank, and almost everything I know about soldering I learned by watching him. You prefer that one?
Sometimes I have to use it to heat it up. Old solder connections don't like to let go.
Do you use the vacuum, or do you just solder? And okay. Do you ever add solder?
Yep. Solder, flux, whatever I can do to get it off.
So we had a problem with this card where the transmitter was no longer transmitting, and this is an optical transmitter, so it goes through fiber optic. We're going to try to replace that and see if that can fix it. So you're hooking it from the back to try to like kind of pry it, wedge it off?
Yep. Friggin' things turn on the handle.
Oh, that's ridiculous.
The handle's turning.
What are you gonna do with that?
Cheap crap.
There you go. That'll do it. Made an Allen key out of it.
That's what happens when you buy cheap tools.
Yeah, that's not good at all. There we go. Nice.
Well, they just barely stick in there.
I know that there's slightly different models too than the ones we're pulling out. This is a 7200, and the one that's a 6015. Do you normally work in Fahrenheit?
Mm-hmm.
Reflowing.
Make sure there's no holes.
Mm-hmm.
Hole around the pin will give you a hot spot.
Maybe replacement parts do we have?
Huh?
How many replacement parts do we have?
One.
Is one?
Got a little shorter neck too.
Oh, look at that. You're right.
There's the one that's replaced.
Cool. You want to do 5 more?
You need to try that one, see if it works first.
Let's make sure this one works. It's a good idea. Okay, cool. Thank you. And there it is. Working like a charm.